President Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship was rebuked by a 3-judge panel this week. Trump's order would ensure that all U.S.-born children will be given citizenship only if at least one parent is an American citizen or holds a green card. For more, we're welcomed in by former Assistant U.S. Attorney Michael J. Wynne and former prosecutor and visiting faculty at Harvard School of Law, Vinu Varghese. Welcome to both of you.
Good morning.
So, gentlemen, this isn't the first time the appeals court has made a ruling against the Trump administration. But, Michael, can you lay out the court's argument against this executive order?
Yeah, sure. The 14th Amendment grants a birthright to individuals born in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof. The whole argument is about what does subject to the jurisdiction thereof mean. The issue was resolved. We got to remember the 14th Amendment was passed immediately after the Civil War.
Yes.
It was interpreted to mean those born of foreign diplomats, those born on Native American tribes, and what we really can't conceive of now, but was a real possibility then, is those born to foreign soldiers in the United States. All of them would not be subject to this jurisdiction thereof. The Supreme Court decided this issue in 1898, and it's been solid precedent for 127 years right now. That's the issue. Case in 1898 was Asian individuals, I believe Chinese, on business who had a child in the U.S. You have to render some meaning to what is subject to. That's been decided. So this is going to be tough precedent to overturn.
We'll see. Well, pivoting now, we're going into the 5th day of the government shutdown. And the blame game between Democrats and Republicans in Congress is only escalating. Democrats are refusing to sign off on a Trump-backed extension for the 4th time yesterday, buckling down on their health care demands. Trump took to Truth Social, saying, "The Democrats want to give your health care money to illegal aliens and open up our borders to criminals of the world." Vinu, is this one issue worth extending the shutdown?
Well, I don't think that's accurate. It seems that the Democrats are holding out for reduced Medicaid cuts and to make sure that subsidies for Obamacare, the Affordable Care Act, continue. So these are the issues. The procedural rules of the Senate require 60 votes to get past a filibuster. So at this point, it's a game of chicken between the Democrats and Republicans to see who's going to blink first. But the Republicans have 53 members. They do control the Senate, but they need some support. And that's what makes America beautiful, right? That no one person, no one party can dominate. So you do need to consult the other side or other opponents, and they need to come up with something to work together that'll make everybody whole or not lose face, because particularly Chuck Schumer took a lot of heat for letting the lockdown expire. The government shutdown end last time. So I think all these guys are considering their own positions when looking at this. And that's important for Republican negotiators to understand.
So true.
Well, I want to follow up on this, Vinu, because remember that just a few months ago, the Democrats were arguing that they're the party that supports democracy, right? But they lost the election, and the Republicans, who said that we're spending too much on benefits for people who aren't contributing, for example, though the Republicans support a work requirement for people to get Medicaid if they're healthy and they have no dependents. So why wouldn't that be the mandate to shrink Medicaid and provide it only to those who really need it?
Well, they still need 7 Democratic senators to go along with them. So knowing that, something's got to give, right? You can't just have it one way or another. Or this government and essential services and people essential services are open, but these people are working without pay. Imagine, just put it anywhere for everyone. Most of the people in this country get some sort of paycheck. Imagine not getting your paycheck, but being forced to work. Look what
Right.
happened last time. Air traffic controllers started calling in sick. I mean, you have this potential disaster. So someone's going to have to give, since the Republicans are in party, it seems like they're the ones who are going to have to give up something in order to get the deal done.